Welcome. So, um, did a little took that little breather or whatnot, and let me just give myself some more memory here. But yeah, I've noticed. I watch my videos and I noticed that literally, wow, that is loud. I don't know what happens to me every time. Every song is different, but she goes right into what I was going to talk about. I noticed that I'm very organized. Every time I have the same windows open, the same things, and that's just the way I like things done. I listen to the same thing, black male radio. The music is very soothing to my ears, except when it's really loud because I can't hear myself think. I always have Tumblr up, giving motivation. I follow a lot of programmer stuff, working out, some funny stuff. Gotta have a sense of humor. I have a sense of humor, and I just love it. The way that I do things and the way that I organize myself in my days. So yeah, always have my Tumblr up. Always have my actual Tumblr webpage, which is electronic.kryptoniteturtle.tumblr.com. Always have that up. As you can see, the headline variable learning to code is true, so that's a boolean. And I'm not sure what I'm doing. I just know I'm doing something. So this is me doing something. I like that I chose this little image here because it displays JavaScript here, and it's sort of like a little code thing. And as you can see, I've made quite a few videos, and those are the same videos that I was speaking of. All of them pretty much follow the same guideline when it comes to it. Honestly, though, my favorite video though is this one right here because it involved my niece and nephew, and that was pretty fun. And yeah, also have my lessons up here, and then my email. It's just hit and miss. Go ahead and close that because I don't need that anymore. So now we did this. We'll save and continue. Nouns and verbs together. Oh, that sounds fun. This sounds like English class all over again. Still too loud. So let's go back to an analogy of computer languages being like regular spoken English or languages. In English, you have nouns, which you can think of as things, and verbs, which you can think of actions. Until now, our nouns, which are data, such as numbers, strings, or variables, and verbs, which are functions, have been separate. No longer. Using objects, we can put our information and the functions that use that information in the same place. You can also think of objects as combinations of key value pairs, like arrays, only their pairs don't have to be numbers like 0, 1, or 2. They can be strings and variables. So I'm just going to take a look at this example here and see what are they talking about. So variable phone book entry literally has the open curly brackets. What the fuck? So then phone book entry name, that looks familiar. Oxyard Montalbano. Whoa, that name is off the chain. Number 55555, phone book entry dot phone. See, I was thinking about that for number, but let's see. So they did phone and they created a function, and then the console log is going to say calling blank this name at blank this number. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then you do, oh, okay. Now, is this what they mean by that? Okay, let's continue. Object syntax. Oh my God, it's an ad. Did you see that? The phone book entry object data name, the name and the telephone number, as well as the procedure, the function printed below. As an example, we have the key name, the value, Oxford, Now, they just literally explaining what I already explained to myself. Wow, the nerves. Using the above syntax as a guide, create an object, me. In this editor, it should have a name key with the value of your name as a string, and the age key with, okay, so me. Got this. Nope. Then me dot name equals Jeffrey, and me dot age, yep, 26. And then need that. What will they be the last one? Oh wait, I'm getting ahead of myself. I think this is all they want. Okay. It's weird that it only shows 26 instead of whatever. Creating a new object. Great work. There are two ways to create an object using object literal notation, which is what we just did. The object constructor. Literal notation is just creating an object with curly braces like this. My object, the type is fancy, disposition is sunny. Okay. And then we're going to, and then is that how you call it? No, that's empty object. When you use the constructor, the syntax looks like this. Variable my object, new object. Well, okay. This tells JavaScript, I want you to make me a new thing, and I want that thing to be an object. Okay. Okay. So, oh man, that felt good. So, what's up, Mikey? What you looking for? Yeah, I'm doing it. Look. I was just talking before you got here. I just said what's up to you. All right. So this tells JavaScript, I want you to make a new thing. You can add, cool. You can add keys to your object after you create it in two ways. I mean, it's a little confusing at the moment, but let's see. Both are correct, and the second is, oh wait, I'm supposed to look at this. So my object. Honestly, I would have chosen the bottom one. The top one confuses me because of the quotations within the name. I would have thought that name would have just been without the quotations, and that would change it into Charlie. But it says both are correct. The second is shorthand for the first. See how this is sort of similar to arrays? I'll make the second one. Recreate your me object in this editor, but this time use the object constructor. Once you make it, use either the brackets notation or the dot notation to give it a name. I'm using the dot notation. So me equals brackets. The reason why I'm using those is because to use those somewhere. Maybe those are the ones fine. But let's do the same thing we did last time with that. And then we're going to do me name equals Jefrie. That should work. Nope. Okay. We create your me object in the first editor. In the editor. But this time, use the object constructor. Once you make it, use either the or the to give it a name property with a string value, which is your name, and an age property with a number value. Oh, forgot that. I should have kept reading. Oh, did you create your object using the object constructor? I think I did. Oh, I think I know what they mean by object constructor. I'm supposed to put new object, right? No, where's that new object thing up here? New object. So take these off. And does this O have to be capital? We'll find out. It'll be silly if it does. Oh, it's not silly anymore. It makes sense because object, that's an actual function thing. Okay. So, don't know what the purpose of that is, but cool. Practice makes perfect. I love that. Right there. Great work! Let's make a new object for practice. Right, Michael? Right? What's that? Ice cream? Can't be eating ice cream. You gotta eat poop. Puppy! Come here. Come here, girl. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. So create 3 objects called Object 1, Object 2, and Object 3 in the editor. Use either literal notation or the object constructor and give your objects any properties you like. I'm going to use the object one because that's what I need practice on. The other one is pretty simple and straightforward. What's up? You want to pray? What do you... What? Of course. Alright, so object 1 equals new object. Then this is going to do the same thing here. You know what? Everything is about making it simpler. I'm not about to keep typing this. That's not what I need help with. Okay. So then we're going to put object 1 dot, let me see, and give your objects any properties you like. I'll give each one of them me and my name. So you know what? Copy that. Me equals J. I'm trying to make this short, sweet, and simple. Object 1 dot age equals 26. Object 2 dot me equals J. What's up, Mikey?
Somebody else makes a video like this too.
Somebody what?
Somebody else makes a video like this too.
What do you mean? And 3. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh.
Like creating these things.
Pretty sure that's what they wanted. Cool. Ah, that's so good. So, review! Awesome! We've thrown a lot at you, but now you know that what object are, object syntax, how to create new and your own objects. Ready to put your knowledge to work? Click Save and Submit code to design your own objects in the next section. We're moving on. Puppy! Puppy! More heterogeneous. Alright. Heterogeneous arrays. Let's warm up with some arrays. Let's make an array that's a veritable potpourri of data types. Yeah, these words. Create an array, my array. What it's supposed to do. Its first element should be a number. Bam. Oh shit. The second should be a boolean. True. And third should be a string. J. And what's up? And its fourth should be an object. There should be a string, and its fourth should be an object. When it says an object, does it literally mean a new object? I'm so confused. Oh shit, yeah, look, it created it right there. I'm gonna hit the stuck just in case. To add an object to an array, we could do, okay, so variable my object equals What? No, I didn't do that. I still got it right, so let's continue. Multidimensional arrays. What is she doing? Look at this. Let her be, let her be, let her be. She's clearly digging for something. If you find any gold, let me get it. Mama, she got to find gold. Hey. All right. Hi. Yeah. Time out. All right. Got a little distracted there. So let's continue. Multidimensional arrays. Good. Now let's create a 2D array. Two-dimensional. Not only that, but a 2D array that's jagged. Jagged! Alright, so make an array called new array. New array. Puppy not now. You want to play? Look, she brought me her toy. And she go chase it. Make an array called new array. Okay, it should be 2D. And jagged. The ultimate kicker? Make one of your inner arrays contain an object. Cool. So we'll do this.
Yep. What is the little circle?
One, true.
What's the little circle? Just show them.
This one will make it create new object. Jefrie. And oh wait, 1, 2, 1, 2. Oh, it has to be another one here. 3. And we'll create this one with just one. And we'll put well, should be it. Yep, cool. Editing an existing object. Let's do this. Add a key called interest to my object. Give this key an array value. The array can contain whatever you like. Add your code here. So I'm adding key called interest. Wait, the key is interest. My bad. And give it an array value. Should be a string. What? I can whatever I like. Yeah. Okay. That should be it. Oh, I get it. Comma. Give it an array value. What? I'm gonna put it a string, just in case.
Is this a test?
What? Not that I know of. Give this key an array value. The array can contain whatever I like. If it can, why can't it just say not interested? Did you give your interest key an array value? What? Try trying all different kinds of things here. Add a key called interest to my object. Give this key an array value. Yeah. Form it is. Come on, internet. Oh, the music's been paused this whole time. Is it practice makes perfect? No, this is rating objects. So editing an existing object. Oh, right here. Right, this is where I am. Me? Yes, I did. And I know it's gonna be something. No, I'm not done. Do you not see me talking?
Done watching doing the video?
The sequence just repeats itself over and over again.
No way. This is the fucking answer. Oh crap! Damn. Oh, this is not that much of an issue.
Now it's time to make a plan to get into the wizard.
That's so dumb.
Presented with a few different devices that you can build. However, if you choose nothing, a secret default option is chosen.
No, something simple. You took mine. Oh, dude, that's loud.
I can feel it. The story mode.
I see that they're talking, yeah. We're almost there. Last step. Force your very own object in the fires of Mount JavaScript. Oh, that sounds so cool, Mount JavaScript. Create your own object called my own object. Okay. Give it whatever properties you like. Be sure to give it at least one.
Oh, really?
Or the object constructor. I'm gonna just keep using object constructor because I gotta learn. That's it. Oh man, typing this over and over is gonna be a pain.
Yes, I know they're not mushrooms. Lucas, thank you. And there it is. Finally come face to face with the command block. And if you choose not to attack it, the game will make you do so anyways. And so begins a long chain of quick-time events. Most of the early prompts can be completely ignored. However, after this first death, failure will almost
I got
certainly
me
lead to a game.
a achievement and a badge. All right. All right. Oh, that actually, I am excited about this contact list. So I'm pretty excited about that. So that's how you know. That's gonna be up next. Until then, peace.